Is this a race?
It's either a race or it's sex.
If it's sex, they haven't gotten very far into it yet.
I'm pretty sure that's how it would go for them. Slow and steady wins the race.
Maybe that's their version of oral.
Yeah, oral slug sex. Oh, there we go. Now it's in focus. Now you can see the oral sex. Oh, it feels so good.
Oh, baby, yes.
Yeah, your
Give me
antennae.
that.
Work those antennae. I am a weirdo. That is for sure. But then again, this is nature, right?
Yeah.
So I didn't do it. Cool ass nature video.
Weirdos are the ones who repress it myself, so.
Huh. Oh, I guess they're done.
Was it good for you?
I wonder if that's considered fast for them?
Probably, yeah.